In this video, I am going to show you how to apply for a Bitget card. To be able to get a Bitget card, you must be at least 18 years old, reside in supported countries, hold a Bitget wallet account, and accept any additional terms and conditions. To do so, head to the Bitget application and look for the card section, where you can apply for a card through your Bitget wallet account on the website or app. Upon satisfactory Know Your Customer verification, you will receive an activation confirmation via the email or app, allowing you to use your account. Each account can have a virtual or physical card. The card is a credit card linked to Bitget wallet and cannot be used as debit card, charge card, or guarantee card. Upon approval of your card application, a virtual card is issued immediately, and Bitget aims to send any physical card applied within the 45 working days of the approval. However, delivery times may vary. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.